on to stamp 17. We are going to be doing a lot of flower stacking today. I am going to be using our main stamp, which is 17, and then I'm also going to be using 15 and 5, but I'll repeat that as we go through. So I am going to scroll down to stamp 17 here. I am going to add a new layer for it and grab this dark blue color and stamp it right down. Now I'm going to use my arrow tool and grab this green dot and just adjust my angle a little bit. Now you want to swipe left on that layer and click duplicate, grab a light peachy color, drag and drop so it fills. You can see that didn't quite fill all the way to the edges. So all I need to do is drag and drop again, hold my pencil down and adjust my color threshold so it fills a little better. The other thing you could do is tap the layer, hit select, tap the layer again and click fill, and that'll fill it even more. So now we want to just shrink it down a bit and have it still fit right inside there. And now we will tap our layer and hit clipping mask so it confines itself directly to our floral. And now we want to add a few little details. So let's go ahead and add a new layer again. I am going to grab stamp number 5. Again, you could get creative with this, but I'm going to tell you exactly what I did for each of the exemplar flowers that are in your workbook that came with this Procreate set. So now I'm going to make that just a hair smaller and just stamp one of each of those flower number 5s right in there. Now I'm going to switch to flower number 15. Let's see, there it is. And I am going to grab a minty light green kind of color, and I want to put that above my main flower. So I'll add a new layer there, and I'm just going to stamp, oop, that's huge. Make it an appropriate size and just stamp 2 in each petal of the blue part. And now we want to add those extra florals. So let's add a new layer and drag it, tap and hold to drag it all the way to the bottom of your floral. You can grab your monoline brush now and a green color will make our stem. I'm gonna make it a little thicker for the stem and then a little thinner for these lines. I think I actually used a darker kind of teal green there. Let's go a little thinner. So I'll just draw in 4 lines, fairly long. I want them to go quite a bit above my petals. And now I am going to go back to flower number 15 and grab light pink, or dark pink actually, and I'm gonna add a new layer just so I can adjust them easily. So I will stamp, I'm gonna make them bigger this time. Stamp each one down. With the folk art style, a lot of things can be really exaggerated. Oh, my hand hit the side of the page, so I can just erase that out. And if you want to adjust any of those flowers so they're going different angles, you can just use the ribbon tool, circle them to select, and then adjust the angle. And then all I did was grab a monoline brush again and white and just add a little dot to the center of each. Make that a little bigger. And then we've got our flower number 17. And again, I'll just pinch those all down into one layer and my flower is ready to use or duplicate and shrink down and use all over my artwork.